is Fadia. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm gonna do a what's in my bag. I have done one video, but in that I wasn't able to show everything because A, we stopped filming because my friend received a call, if you remember, and B, the sun set, so we didn't have sunlight to film with. So also I wasn't able to show everything in that video, and if you want to see that video, it's more what's in my day sort of a video rather than what's in my bag. You can watch it here, and let's get started. So this is my bag, and it's a bag from Skybags. Also I carry a backpack because I don't understand how people can carry a handbag until and unless, if it matches with your outfit. I don't think I can carry a handbag on an everyday basis because it's not something which is very comfortable, and I feel like something is gonna get stolen. Also I go to college, so it's not very practical for me. I have to travel for around 3 hours, so it's a little bit hectic for me. I prefer this bag only. Otherwise, if I'm going to maybe a nearby area, then I may carry a handbag or maybe a crossbody bag because I want my hands free all the time, and that is what I really like. Also, with the concentration of weight only on one side of your shoulder is something which I don't really like. So yeah, starting with this, here I have my trash bag. In that all the trash from regular receipts, tissues, toffee wrappers are there, and then we have this. Here I've got a water bottle. If you're watching this, I know you haven't been drinking a lot of water, so just go and drink water because you need it. Also, you can carry a meta bottle if you want to beat somebody, because if you land up in some shady situation, just take out your bottle and bang the head of the person, or maybe the shoulder if you don't want to go to the jail by banging the head. So just be on the safer side and bang the shoulder and your problem will be solved. So carry a steel bottle. Carry a steel bottle for that purposes, and yeah, it's very beneficial and helpful. And then we also have sanitizer. This one is from Dettol, and this one has got a 99 to 100% of alcohol concentration, so this one is good. And I also have another one, but I've emptied it out in this Vaseline container, and the reason for that being I wanted more sanitizer probably, but it was 75% alcohol and Dettol was finished everywhere. Even if you search online, it's not available. So that's why I have this, and it's also a sanitizer and it's not a Vaseline. Then let's start with what I have in the first sip. First I have is a Metro card. Earlier I used to carry this with my other Metro cards. I also have 2-3 Metro cards. For the reason I carry it separately because I feel it gets mixed, and when I'm at the barricade I want to cross and get in the station, so it's a bit problematic because I think this is the card I was using, but I don't really remember, so that's why I keep it different now. And this is a mouth freshener. These are those strips, and these are really good. I like them, these strips. Then we also have a chewing gum and a Melody, which I don't eat sweets. This is, I don't know, I took it from home and I think I'll give it to someone, maybe my brother. Then in the first sip I don't have anything because I carry my lunch, so it's empty currently. And in the second sip I've got a lot of stuff, so let's get started. The first thing which we have is my pink bag, and earlier I was contemplating whether I should keep it or not because it majorly contains a lot of makeup and other stuff as well, but I feel I require it when I take it out. I require it the most, so I decided to not take it out, and it is not even very heavy, so I decided to keep it. And in the first step we have a lot of makeup because sometimes after college I have to visit certain places, or maybe I just carry this and it has got a lot of makeup. So the first thing which we have is a comb, and everything is very much pink. First we have is a white liner, and this one is from Dina of London. It's pigmented, so that's why I carry it. And this is what it looks like. And this one is the Maybelline Colossal Kajal, and it's also very pigmented. All the things which I have are very pigmented, and probably that's why I carry them. And we have this is a blue liner because you never know which color you need, what outfit you're wearing. So this one is from Calabar, and it's very pigmented. In just one swipes it glides very smoothly, and it's waterproof, transfer proof, smudge proof, and it's like everything proof, so it's definitely a very good buy. Next we have an eyebrow pencil which has got a spoolie on one side and pigment on the other. This one is from Nykaa. And yeah, it's not very pigmented. It's the correct amount of waxy and what's that? Creamy, because in eyebrows you don't want it to be very pigmented. You don't want your eyebrows to look fake, and this is the eyebrow pencil. Next we have is the Maybelline Colossal Kajal. Usually I prefer gel liner or maybe liquid liner. The reason being it's very easy to apply a liquid liner, and gel liner is something which takes time and it cannot be applied when you're going out, or maybe if you are in a public washroom it's a bit difficult. So sketch liner is something I like, and if you've seen my old videos you know what sort of consistency this is. It is pigmented, it is buildable, and it has a sharp tip. However, if you're someone on the aged side, this would bleed a little bit on you, but it's good. And the felt tip is sharp, very sharp. Next we have got is a pee safe, which is required for sanitary purposes, especially if you're going to a relative's house and you have to do your business, and maybe I don't really sit, but I sprayed and then I put some tissues and then I sit. Then we have got a lipstick. This one is in the shade Blush Velvet. This is the only thing which I use for my lipstick and for my blush, because it's the perfect shade and it is very much similar to my lips and it wears off very evenly, and this is not really drying. So yeah, I'm running out of this. I'll buy it once this period is over, and this is the shade. Then we also got this perfume, and my friend gave it to me. If you've seen the video you know, and this has a lot of space in it, so you can accommodate around 30 sprays, so it would last you a very long time. And I use it for touch-up purposes, not for applying actually, because when I get out I apply whatever perfume I want to, and then if I'm out and I feel like I wanna have something on, so that's when I use it. So the last time I refilled it, I don't even remember when I filled it. Also we have a mascara. This one is from Maybelline Fit Me. This is the best mascara and it's affordable as well. It's about what, $10. The prices of these things range according to the value of dollar, and that is what its value is. It's more like $9.99, so yeah. And in this compartment I've got a lot of useful things which are really required in the everyday usage. So the first thing which I have is the wrapper for my hoops, and I wear hoops pretty much every day, so I need it. Not every day, but when I have to dress up, and I feel hoops are something which goes with everything, be it Indian or any dress that you're wearing. The next thing which I have is my college ID card, and I'm not going to show the details. Next we have is a Vaseline, because earlier I used to keep this in my first pocket, and I thought that Vaseline is really good, especially this, because it never leaks. And when I said that, I jinxed myself, and the week after, I think a week and a half, it leaked in my bag, and I put my hand to take out some money and I actually took out a lot of Vaseline. So yeah, especially that was not good. So I have that, and I also have passport size photographs, because this is something I feel which is very much required. How many do I have? I have 5 photographs, because these are required when you're in college, and in college they'll ask you for photographs every second day. So yeah, it's very much required, and for the official purposes as well. And we've also got some rubber band, cotton, clip, and a Q-tip as well. And I also have a concealer, because I carve out my brows with this, and it's very handy for travel. And at home I usually use a paint pot or maybe the concealer with a brush, and I spread it. So that's it for my pink pouch. Oh no, there's one more compartment. And this I've got, what is this? This is a hair tie in case my clutcher breaks or maybe my rubber band breaks. This is for those scenarios. And we also have some tissue paper, because you always need tissue paper. I don't know how people can travel without this. So yeah, that's it for this bag, and it's overflowing, but it's very spacious and it carries a lot of things, so I like this crossbody bag very much. And next we're going to move on to I also have a mask, and I lost 2 masks. This is my 3rd mask, so yeah. I have some Chandu balm, because mosquitoes really are attracted to me, so they bite me, and then I have to put this. Even if I'm wearing socks, I don't know how, but in my college, mosquitoes bite me, so I have to apply this. But as we know, prevention is better than cure. So I also carry some Odomos, and yeah, I apply this. If I feel there are mosquitoes around, I will apply this because this has to be there. And then I have this pouch in which I carry coins, spare metro card and money. I don't have much money, I just have 100 rupees and a few coins. Usually I just carry 40 rupees in the first pocket because I know I'm not going to spend more than that. The major amount of money which is spent on an everyday basis is from my metro card. Around 90-95 rupees gets cut from it every day because I travel long. Then we have this, and in this smiley I've got my mic and my headphones. So yeah, mic I haven't attached because I'm shooting indoors, so I don't require it currently. And then in the final zip we have got my phone cover. I shoot on my phone, so yeah, the cover is here. And then I have my phone charger. I don't know how people travel without the phone charger. My phone doesn't really require recharge, but I carry it just in case because I don't want to run out of battery, and I'm out for like 10 to 12 hours, so I carry it just in case. Sometimes even if I'm heading out for 5 to 6 hours, I will carry my charger no matter what. And then we have got a pouch which has got regular things: pen, pencil, sharpener, fluid, post-its, rubbers. And I also have my glasses, and these are blue light protection glasses which I got from Lenskart during Diwali, I think. Yeah, the day after Diwali I received these, and these are really good. My eyes don't feel strained when you're working for long hours on the laptop. It feels like your eyes are gonna pop out, and this saves you from them, so because it helps. And this is also helpful if you're driving, or it has got a lot of uses. I'm also going to buy a pair of sunglasses because yeah, I also need that in my life. I have figured that out. Otherwise I'm going to develop those crows over here. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and if you don't like it, feel free to comment why you didn't like it, or maybe dislike it. Even it's okay, I don't care. So, yeah, that's it for today's video, and I'll see you in the next video. And if you have some recommendations, just comment down below what you would like to see. And yeah, that's it. Toodles!